Welcome to another episode of Step Up Money TV show. My name is Adenike Bamigbade. I am your host for today. For our new subscribers, thank you for joining the family. Nigeria is a creative organization building bridges for effective governance to tackle corruption and improve service delivery in Nigeria. Through our Catch Them Young initiative, we've been able to sensitize 7,000 children on the negative impact of corruption and the importance of integrity. It is important to first establish that the coronavirus is a deadly disease that affects both the old and the young, and all must take precaution to stay safe. And that was the reason why the government issued a compulsory lockdown on schools to prevent the spread of the virus. And this has happened since the last week in March. So schools in Nigeria are shut down for 3 months or more.
I'm so sad. There are not so much for me to do. I miss all my studies and the sports, and I miss my teacher and my friends.
Since schools shut down, it's been difficult for some children to access school or to access learning, especially children in local schools and public schools. The reason is that learning virtually requires at least a smartphone and a budget for internet data, which many poor parents might not be able to afford. Though we hear that the government promised virtual classes via radio and television, but the question is how many children are actually accessing learning through these virtual platforms? So we interviewed children in local private schools and public schools. Please hear their thoughts.
If I don't start my school, no one is around to do the and my parents are always at home now. Because of the coronavirus, we miss the exam. I've not accessed anything from television, phone, radio. I have not accessed to read my books at all. All of the thing is to read my book and stay at the and write some things that I can remember from that. So I want to start school. And my parents think that because we did not start school this year, I'm not going to start school now, we don't work. And they say that they don't have money with it. And I feel like starting school.
The pandemic is actually affecting children terribly. The same way adults are complaining, even children are also affected. And like we heard, some of them are scared that they might even forget what they've learned in schools since they've been home for 3 months plus. So what if schools get shut down for longer than this? What if schools do not resume later on in the year? What will be the fate of these children who are unable to access learning virtually or even physically? So does this mean that they might not be able to catch up with their peers who have the opportunity and the privilege to access learning during this critical period? We ask the government to please step up on their mitigating plan to ensure that no child is left behind, even in this critical period. And because education is very important, so we say please prioritize education. Despite the negative impact of COVID-19, some children were still able to make lemonades out of it. Here are some creative works developed by Dorothy and our brother Brian Samuel. They developed a creative work educating children on how to stay safe during this pandemic. We hope you share with other children as well.
Hi, my name is Dorothy Samuel Abbas. At the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, I drew some pictures and my siblings helped me too. I drew them to encourage people more to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Dorothy and our brother, children are eager to go back to school. So we ask that you please try to stop the spread of COVID-19 by staying safe and acting with integrity during this period. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you enjoyed the show, please ensure you give us a thumbs up and make sure you don't miss the next episode. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button. Yes, you won't miss anything. And ensure you follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. That's all. My name remains Adenike Bamigbade. Bye-bye.